Today, we will be exploring strategy number 1 for reverse 1031 exchanges, where the exchange accommodation title EAT buys and holds your replacement property. This strategy is also known as an exchange later reverse 1031 exchange. It allows you to secure your new property before selling your existing one, ensuring a smooth transition and compliance with IRS regulation. Step 1. Assign the purchase contract to the EAT. The first step in this strategy is to go under contract for your replacement property. Once you have identified the new property you want to purchase, you will need to assign the purchase contract to the EAT. So this means that the EAT will take over the contractual obligations to buy the replacement property on your behalf. Your qualified intermediary QI can assist with this process, ensuring all legal and procedural requirements are met. Step 2. The EAT closes and takes title to the replacement property. After assigning the purchase contract, the EAT will close on the replacement property and take title to it. The EAT essentially acts as the temporary owner of the property, holding it until you are ready to complete the exchange. So this step is crucial because the IRS does not allow you to own both the relinquished and the replacement property simultaneously during the exchange process. Step 3. You're going to sell your relinquished property. So once the EAT has taken title to the replacement property, you can begin the formal exchange process by selling your relinquished property. This step involves finding a buyer and completing the sale, just as you would in any regular real estate transaction. The proceeds from the sale will be managed by your QI, ensuring the funds are appropriately handled and are in compliance with IRS regulation. Step 4. This is taking ownership of the replacement property from the EAT. Finally, after selling your relinquished property, you will complete your 1031 exchange by receiving ownership of the replacement property from the EAT. The QI will facilitate the transfer, ensure that the transaction is smooth and meets all legal requirements. The final step marks the completion of your reverse 1031 exchange. This allows you to defer capital gains taxes and successfully acquire your new property. In summary, strategy 1, the EAT buys and holds your replacement property, or the exchange later reverse 1031 exchange, is a valuable tool for investors looking to secure a new property before selling their existing one. By assigning the purchase contract to the EAT, having the EAT close and take title, selling your relinquished property, and then taking ownership of the replacement property from the EAT, you can navigate the complexity of reverse 1031 exchange with confidence. This strategy, with the help of your qualified intermediary, gonna help you being compliant with the IRS. With that, let's move on to the next topic.